As the saying goes, home is where love resides, memories are created, and laughter never ends. Introducing Fieldgate Street E1, your ideal student accommodation in London. Nestled in a calm and peaceful locality, Fieldgate Street E1 offers a range of stylish, fully furnished en-suite rooms. Each room is meticulously designed with a cushy bed, dedicated study area, and spacious wardrobe along with a clean and modern in-unit bathroom for convenience. It offers amenities including a well-equipped gym, vibrant gaming zone, simmer room, a state-of-the-art kitchen with cutting-edge appliances, and an expansive dining area. Queen Mary University of London is just a 5-minute stroll away, and Glasgow Caledonian University is easily accessible from the property thanks to the East London Mosque bus stop in the vicinity. Craving for a rich and thick milkshake? Satisfy your taste buds at the Patisserie East and savor every sip of their delicious shakes and smoothies, or enjoy a great night out at Good Samaritan. If this ticks all your boxes, head over to amberstudent.com and book your room at Fieldgate Street E1 student accommodation right away.